Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'll be showing you how you can use or redeem Target gift card online. In order to use or redeem your gift card online, you'll have to make sure that you're logged into your Target account. So for that, type in target.com and open up and then log in into your account. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. So basically, to redeem or to use your Target gift card is by using it as a way of payment method. So for that, you'll have to select a particular product that you wish to add it. So for now, I'm just going to go with the random product. And after you've done that, once again, for the confirmation, click on continue to checkout. So in here, you'll be directed to the payment section. So for the payment section, you need to go to gift card and click the add button next to it. So in order to add a gift card, all you have to do is enter in or provide in the card number and then the access number. As soon as you're done, click the add gift card button. And once the gift card has been added, you'll be able to get certain amount of discount on the following product. And apart from it, if you're using a different card such as Amex, Discover, Visa, or MasterCard, then you'll have to add it in a payment section. Adding it as a gift card won't be valid. That's how you can redeem or use your Target gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.